the South African and Nigerian presidents and another day of meetings in Abuja. Now, the two countries say the meetings are a move to strengthen ties between the two countries, which have been strained for some time, especially within business and immigration circles. Now, the leaders have signed a number of agreements to rekindle their cooperation, and here's more on that.
Our two countries have signed over 30 bilateral agreements and memoranda of understanding. These agreements cover a wide range of cooperation areas, including trade and industry, transport, energy, defense, and security, and immigration, among others. We have directed the relevant ministers to move with speed in implementing all signed agreements.
The concern of the federal government was basically on the security, not the fine imposed on MTN. You know how the unregistered GSM are being used by terrorists. And between 2009 and today, at least 10,000 Nigerians were killed by Boko Haram. At least 10,000. That was why NCC asked, the MTN and Glo and the rest of them to register GSMs.
Now, in the meantime, Nigeria's Minister of State for Petroleum, Emmanuel Ibe Kachikwu, has split the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, NNPC, into 5 businesses and 2 service components. Now, Dr. Kachikwu said the changes will eliminate bureaucracy in the operations of the corporation and that each of the units would be profit-driven. The Nigerian government is planning on eliminating the need for imported petroleum products within 18 months. Now, Nigeria's 4 refineries have never reached full production due to sabotage and poor maintenance. As a result, the country depends on imported fuel for most of its energy needs. President Muhammadu Buhari has made reforming Nigeria's oil sector a priority, as a sharp fall in global oil prices has prompted the country's worst economic crisis in years. Crude exports account for around 95% of its foreign earnings.
Obviously, when the refineries begin to work, we'd like to see how we can begin to save up, continue our importation process, but see how we can save up quite a bit more into strategic reserves, so that in the moments of difficulties, you can reach out to those before getting your next set of imports. On the whole, the policy, obviously, in terms of production in Nigeria must be that we must target a time frame of between 12 and 18 months to try and get out of importation.